Hello, grade 10 students. In this lecture, we're going to talk about the function and organization of the living things, and to be more specific, we're going to talk about Chapter 4, Nervous Communication, Activity 1, Organization of the Nervous System in the Vertebrates. To start with, what is the function of the nervous system? The nervous system has the function of receive information, process the information, and to respond or to take the action. So there are three main functions of the nervous system: to receive the information, to process it, and to respond and take the proper action. So this nervous system is composed of two main parts. The central nervous system, CNS, is composed of the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is composed of nerves. This is the brain and the spinal cord. They form of central nervous system. The human brain is composed of the parts that I needed are the cerebellum, the medulla oblongata, and the spinal cord. This is the figure showing the parts of the brain. Cerebrum is composed of two hemispheres, cerebellum, right and left cerebrum, and cerebellum, and we have finally the medulla oblongata, which is the connection between the brain and the spinal cord. Here, the spinal cord, the first part. Brain is composed for medulla is mainly for breathing, cerebellum is for the movement and the balance, cerebrum is for the higher thinking. This is the medulla oblongata, cerebellum, and the large part is the cerebrum. Nervous system is composed of central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The central nervous system is composed of brain, spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is composed of nerves, cranial nerves, and the spinal nerves. The brain is composed of the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata, while the cranial nerves, they merge or they branch or they ramify from the brain, the cranium, and the spinal nerves, they ramify or they branch from the spinal cord. The cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata, they have the role of analyzing the information, integrating them, and taking the proper decision, while the nerves, the cranial and the spinal nerve, they have a role in carrying the messages between the central nervous system and the effector organ or the receptor organ. These are the nerves, cranial nerves, and the spinal nerves. So we have two parts, central and peripheral. Central, composed of brain and spinal cord. Brain has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata. They have a role of analyzing the received information, integrate them, and take the proper decision. While the nerves, we have cranial and the spinal. Cranial from the cranium, they ramify from the brain, and spinal, they ramify from the spinal cord. They have an important role of carrying information and messages between the central nervous system and the receptor or the effector organs.